Hi, it's Nørgaard. So welcome to my channel if you are new here, or welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. So today I finally sat down and did a little life update video. So in this video I'm just going to let you know what I've been doing, what has been going on, because I have been pretty inactive on YouTube and on Instagram, which are like my two main online platforms. And I'm so excited to be back filming. I'm so excited to, get back into the swing of things and share my life a little bit with you guys. Also feel free to down below comment how you have been, and I will get back to you so we can have a little conversation going. So in this video I'm not only doing a life update, I'm also doing a makeup tutorial on this eye look. I really love how it turned out. I'm using this palette today. You guys chose it on my Instagram stories and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I don't think I have much else to say. It's like 10:30 at night and I'm actually getting pretty tired, so I think I'm going to wrap it up now. But as always, don't forget to thumbs up the video if you do enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you can also click the bell to get post notifications. And without further ado, here comes the video. So this is the eye look I'm going for today, so very mermaid-esque. I asked you guys on my Instagram story which eyeshadow palette I should use, and you guys chose this one. It is the Soft Hues Aquamarine palette by W7. It's a Huda Beauty dupe. So I'm going to do this eye look on this eye, and I'm going to give you guys a complete update on where I've been and what I've been doing, what's been going on. So I'm going to prime with this Technic matte eyeshadow primer. This one is like really thin. It gives a little bit of a tint to your eyelid, but it's mostly transparent. But I like the texture because it's not too tacky, but it's also not too dry and powdery. And what do you guys think of the nails and the rings? I'm being very colorful today. I'm feeling for some color. So I'm going to highlight my brow bone with a combination of the two highlighters in this e.l.f. Makiage and Carli Bybel face palette. So I'm going to use this color all over the brow bone, and then this one right under the arch. And I'm actually doing a review of this palette right now. So that will either be up already or it will be up super soon. So keep an eye out for that. But yeah, let me get into this update. So I have not been on YouTube for a while, and I have not sat down to film a video for even longer, and that is because I have been doing my master's degree. I just recently graduated with a master's degree in English and Danish. I'm going to use the matte kind of dusty rose color. So now I have my master's degree, I have my bachelor's degree, and I'm finally done studying after 20 years of studying non-stop. I'm 26 now. I've been going to school since I was 6. I've literally been in school for 20 years, and I'm so happy that I'm done. Everything went well. I got good grades, and yeah, now I'm going to look for jobs. And just to tell you guys what I'm doing, I'm just applying this matte pinky color in the very upper part of the crease, and I'm really exaggerating this outer V area. I actually have my brows shaved off at the end and drawn up higher, so I have more lid space out here to work with, and that just kind of pulls my eyes up and it kind of gives them a lift. So that is definitely the main part that has been going on, and that's also the reason why I haven't been very active on Instagram or YouTube. I have just been focusing all my energy on getting my degree. Then I'm going to use the darkest matte blue, and I'm going to place this also in the outer V, but closer to my actual eyelid. So I'm not going to go up as high. So now that I'm done with school, I definitely want to get back into doing more YouTube videos. I have really missed it. I'm also going to take this matte light, not brown, blue, and I'm going to bring this in a little bit further in the crease, kind of blending it in with the mauvey dusty rose color. And on the lid I'm going to use these two colors over here, so this one on the inner part and this one on the outer part. Other than that, I'm trying to plan a vacation. It's very difficult because of all the restrictions. Like, I went to, no joke, I went to 7 countries last year amidst the whole pandemic. And now this year, when the pandemic is kind of getting under control and people are getting vaccinated and, you know, it's starting to quiet down a bit, now it's so difficult to book a flight. I have booked 2 flights and both of them have been cancelled. And those flights were booked for Poland. So Poland, I guess, is not happening. So now I tried booking a flight for Vienna instead. So I really hope that happens. I've never been to Austria before. So I'm so excited to see the capital. And, you know, just get away for a bit and just have some fun. I really feel like after all this studying, I just wanna do something fun. And of course, you know, I'll take all the precautions and follow all the safety guidelines and all of that. I just really want to, you know, get out into the world and experience some new things. And it is a family vacation, by the way, so it's a trip planned for my whole family. And at the moment I'm actually looking at apartments to book for the vacation. We have had good experiences with booking a whole apartment for other vacations. Most of the time it's cheaper than booking hotel rooms. And when you're traveling a lot of people, we are going to be 6 people, then it's just very convenient with an apartment. So I'm going to use this little Makeup Revolution Rose Gold little eyeshadow that I mixed with these drops. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. And I was actually really excited about going to Poland. I've been there 2 times before already, but I really like it because it's cheap and I find it to be pretty relaxing. It's not like going to New York where you have to do something like, you know, every hour of the day almost, because there's just so much to do and you want to just experience it all. And also the weather is usually nice in Poland. And just, yeah, I don't know, I just really like it for a family vacation. It's just the perfect combination between like excitement and relaxation. But anyway, I'm sure Vienna will be nice as well. Like, honestly, I'm not that concerned with where we go. I just kind of want to go somewhere. I bought, you know, some new clothes that I want to wear out. And I'm going to show you guys that very soon in a haul. So yeah, I just want to go out, have a good time basically. But yeah, that's basically what has been going on. That is the reason why I have not been super active online. But I really want to get back into it for sure. I have so many videos that I want to do. It's just a matter of sitting down and filming it. I'm going to pop a bit of this Electric Vibes liner by Essence in my waterline. This is in the color number 4, Paradise. I'm also thinking about doing some vlogs. Please let me know down below if you're interested in that. And definitely doing more hauls and makeup related videos, beauty related videos, fashion related videos. Also, I want to be more serious about my fitness journey. I'm going to use these Technic lashes today. They are brand new. They look hella fake, but I actually kind of like them for this look. I think they go well with the eyeshadow. And I'm going to use my W7 lash adhesive in black. But yeah, as I was saying, I really wanna step up my fitness routine. I wanna try to work out 4 times a week. Workouts I do are mainly running, and then I do like simple at home workouts, like the 10-minute ones. I was going to the gym, but then during the pandemic I stopped and I got so used to running and doing home workouts that I just haven't picked it back up. And along with that, I wanna, you know, eat healthy. I'm really trying. I find it so difficult, man. It's so difficult. Like every time I'm having just a tiny bit of a bad day, I wanna eat like a cake. And if I'm having a good day, I also wanna eat a cake. So, oh my goodness, I forgot to put on mascara. Oops. I normally never forget that. That is so crazy. But yeah, I don't have like a specific like weight or fitness goal in mind. I just wanna be able to eat, you know, balanced and healthy for the most part. you know, I don't need to like lose 100 pounds by the end of the year. I just, you know, want to get some healthier habits in place. And, you know, I'm completely detoxing from like energy drinks and soda, at least somewhat. Like, I'll have a soda if someone has a soda. But I don't want to drink energy drinks anymore. I was drinking a few energy drinks leading up to me handing in my final master's project. So I just really want to quit that bad habit. But it's funny, I feel like I'm kind of having withdrawals because like today I've been so freaking tired. Like, I slept well and I slept long enough, but I have been so tired, you guys. Generally, I'm just pretty tired all the time. I have like permanent low blood sugar. I have like the opposite of diabetes. So I think that also contributes to me feeling tired so often. But today it's been pretty intense. So I really tried to pull through to do this video. And another thing I really want to do is read some books. I have so many books that I want to read and I just have not had the time. So I really hope this summer will be a summer of reading. By the way, you guys, I've been using this mascara that I used in, I believe, my last Get Ready With Me video. And I love it. It's like a tubing mascara, so it does not smudge. It's like waterproof. It works beautifully and I'm just obsessed with it. So I just wanted to give you guys that little update. But yeah, I just need to go over this liquid liner. Okay, so I have my eyes all done now. I'm going to do my lips in my other video where I'm reviewing the Carli Bybel e.l.f. Makiage collection. So that's pretty much it for all the talking. I will be back once I have everything on my face. Okay, so I got my lip makeup on. I finished my Carli Bybel and e.l.f. Makiage collab video. And I finished all my makeup and we are officially done. It has been great to sit down and talk to you guys again. I'm so happy to be back filming. I can't wait to show you guys all this new content I have planned. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also click the bell to get post notifications. And that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.